Hello guys, this is the Good Gamer and today I am preparing my first video for YouTube. Uh, my starting video I am going to prepare with this game, the Battle of Warship. It's one of the most popular naval games, and this is the most powerful ship in my collection, but I'm going to use this one for the battle. This is the Scan Host, KMS Scan Host. It's a powerful machine. Without wasting any more time, let's go to multiplayer battle. Let's see who will be our opponents. It's a 14 versus 14 battle. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like this video and share my channel to everyone. And if you want me to create a video on any other game, please request me in comment section. I will make video for you. This is my starting video. I'm going to get a new gaming laptop. When I get that laptop, I will make videos of the major games like GTA 5, GTA 4 and Battlefield and many more. See who is on our team. Arkansas, score first, Texas, Recipient, Enterprise. Oh my gosh, we have a weak team here. And there are 3 major ships. Let's see what happens. Jesus, I think I have to tackle these birds alone. That thing has fired on me. And it hit. No, it didn't. Somebody had surrendered in our team. Texas, man, the major ships are surrendering here. Jesus, they are all aiming at me. I have to take cover from them now, man. This is going. Oh no. Oh man. Shit, man. Shit. There are 2 South Dakota. They are major ships, man. Shit. What to do now? My team is like bloody bastards. They are all hiding behind those mountains. Sorry for using the offensive language, guys. I got pretty excited here. Yes, we are going to crush that ship. You have to remember your boundaries, man. You will never be able to survive my attacks. I'm going to get you. I'm going to crush you. See, somebody is trying to taking my target. Fools. And here we got one. Oh, they are all coming to me. They are all trying to get me. But I'm sure they are not going to be successful. Oh man, those torpedoes hit me. Jesus, we have few left, and I have a Bismarck in front of me. I wish I have chosen Iowa for this battle. It was my really big mistake to choose Skarnhurst instead of. Wait, I think I will get him. They are coming from behind of me, and you guys are going to fail there. I hope so. Jesus Christ. Oh, they are behind me. I think we can win this match. We still have a chance. Oh Jesus, that's a South Dakota. And he's aiming at me. No, he's not aiming at me. Shit, man. I miss him. And here we have someone who has almost died here. I'm going to get him. Come on. Jesus. This is taking much of time. I will kill him for sure. He have to pay for whatever he has done to my partners. Huh. You think that thing can beat me? I'm the only one left in my team, guys. Feeling pretty nervous there. And you are gone. Even I'm gone. You are also gone, my friend. Yes, got him. Jesus, there's a fully armored ship, man. Car first. He can easily down me. But I'm not going to show myself there. As we can clearly see that, guys, we have almost lost this match, but you can see that I have killed 4 ships out of 7 and make a damage of 4,22,217 on the account of my team. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? I have to do something. I wish I have some. We are hiding. I'm just waiting for the timer. So maybe that can. Nah, but let's face it. Go first. I'm coming to get you, my friend. I saved myself. Shit, got hit. Shit, guys, we are going to lose this. And now I am finished, I think. Still I can make one attack. Bye guys, thanks for watching this. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye guys. We have got defeat here, but as you can see, I killed 4 ships and made the damage of 4,86,657 on my account. And as you can see in the statistics, I am the best player, Ancient Undead 392, and this guy has, well, okay. Bye guys, have a nice day.